Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about what is spread and how to calculate the spread forex trade. The spreading is nothing but the difference between the buying price and ask price. Okay, spread is a transaction which has a broker, which means if you are taking a trade, the broker take a commission from you, it's called a spread. Okay, what is mean by ask price and buying price? Nothing but ask price is known as the buy price and bid price is known as the selling price. In the above you have seen euro US pair, the selling price and buy price. Buying price is known as ask price and selling price is known as bid price. Okay, I think you may understand what is spread. Okay, I will explain with you an example. Okay, let me go and say how to calculate spread. There is a formula for calculating the spread. Spread is equal to buying price minus selling price. What is the buying price? You can see in the video. The buying price is equal to 1.03292 and what is the selling price? 1.03254. How to calculate spread is equal to buy price minus selling price. You can get an answer. In last video how I upload what is number pip. If you don't see that video, you can't understand what is pip. The fourth decimal is called as pip. Okay, in this 3.8 pip is the commission for the broker. Okay, how does the broker charge the commission? For example, if the buying price is equal to 1.2000 and selling price is 1.2001, and how to calculate spread? Buy price minus selling price is equal to 1 pip spread. When if you are taking a trade in a current market price, the current market price is 1.2000, and if you are placing a buy order in market, you are placing the buy order in 1.2001. Why I mentioned your order placed in 1.2000. The commission of the broker is 1 pip. So your order can be placed in 1.2001 pip. Okay. If you are taking a sell order, if your order is taking a sell order, your spread is 1 pip. Then your order placed in 1.1999. How the spread is 1 pip. So market, the broker will take his commission first. After that only we will get the balance. So I think you have understand how to calculate spread. Nothing but very simple. Spread is equal to buying price minus selling price. What is the current price of the market and what is the selling price of the market is equal to spread. Okay. I think you may be understand how to calculate spread. If you want out, you can mention above. Thank you.